We tested 5 garage shop fans. One actually moves air like it promises. The rest just make noise. The winner might surprise you. A bad garage fan doesn't cool you down, just spins and lies to you. We pulled specs, dug through real owner feedback, and ranked 5 high-velocity fans by one rule. Trust the rating backed by real buyers, not the box. The surprise pick is coming. Let's get into it. If raw airflow is your only metric, number 5, the iLiving 20-inch fan at around $50 looks like a steal. 5,750 cubic feet per minute is serious output. That beats several pricier options on this list outright. But here's the catch. Owners consistently report it runs loud, even on low speed. Some buyers also flag unit-to-unit inconsistency, so what arrives may not match what the next person got. Strong spec, real risk. If your garage is loud anyway, and you just need aggressive airflow on a budget, it earns its spot. But if you want bulletproof consistency, the next fan changes the conversation entirely. Coming in at number 4, the Comfort Zone Cradle Floor Fan at $53.18. If your garage is cramped and you need airflow that follows you around, this 18-inch fan tilts a full 180 degrees, pointed exactly where the heat is. 3 speeds, a carry handle, rubber feet for stability. That 19.36 feet per second airflow is real, and 4,329 owners giving it 4.5 stars backs that up. The honest catch? It runs louder than most buyers expect. Not a deal breaker in a noisy shop, but in a quieter workspace you'll notice it. Need more raw muscle for a bigger space? The next one delivers it. Number 3, the Torne 24-inch drum fan at $113.40. If you've got a 2-car garage, a warehouse bay, or a serious shop that laughs at smaller fans, this is the one built for it. 7,700 cubic feet per minute through a 24-inch metal drum. That's not moving air, that's replacing it. 1/3 horsepower does that work all day. 4.6 stars across nearly 4,000 owners tells you it delivers. The honest flaw? The speed control sits on the back of the unit, not the side, awkward when it's tucked against a wall. And a handful of buyers flagged shipping damage on arrival, so check your box before signing. If your space is massive and power is the priority, this earns its spot. But if wall mount flexibility matters to you, the next one opens up options you haven't considered yet. Coming in at number 2, the Amazon Basics 20-inch fan at $56. Over 8,000 owners have weighed in, and that 4.3-star rating is real-world trust, not marketing. Owners describe spaces that run well over 100 degrees feeling manageable again. Metal housing, metal blades, 3 speeds, a tilting head. It covers the basics without asking much. The power and stability feedback is consistent. But here is the honest part. Some buyers report fan failure and overheating under sustained heavy use, and the build feels lighter than the metal suggests. This is the right call for moderate garage sessions. If you want the absolute most tested pick on this list, that is exactly what is next. Number 1, the winner. The Lasko 12-inch pivoting utility fan at $69.49. Here is what separates it from everything else on this list. 24,424 real owners gave it 4.7 stars. That is not a fluke. That is the most tested, most trusted fan in this entire lineup. It pivots a full 270 degrees, so you aim it exactly where heat builds up. Corner of the garage, over the workbench, straight at you. 3 speeds, 289 cubic feet per minute, and it has 2 built-in grounded outlets on the housing itself. Plug in your tools without hunting for another strip. The one honest drawback: at 12 inches, it moves less raw air than the bigger drum fans here. But for targeted directional airflow in a real workspace, nothing on this list earns it more consistently. So here's the quick truth on all 5. The iLiving wins raw cubic feet per minute. The Torne wins durability. The Amazon Basics wins value per dollar. The Comfort Zone wins flexibility for tight spaces. But the Lasko wins on trust. More real owners, more consistent ratings. Biggest airflow does not automatically mean best fan. Know your space? Then pick your winner. Tight budget and occasional weekend use? The Comfort Zone handles it. Bigger shop with daily heat? Step up to the Torne or iLiving. But if you want one fan backed by the most real owner trust in this lineup, the Lasko is your answer. Pick your size, match your space, done. Links are pinned below. Subscribe so the next bad buy never comes out of your pocket.